I can never find my tools because my husband uses them and loses them. And then he doesn't know where they are when he needs them. And so it's this big circle of losing and finding and losing and finding the tools. So I needed something that would organize them and keep them in one place where my husband could easily access it and where I could always find them when I needed them. So I got this shelf. I installed it myself. It's very easy to put together. It was time consuming for me because there were absolutely no instructions whatsoever. I'll step that back a little bit. There were instructions that were not easy to understand. They basically left out every step that was required except for make sure that the holes are facing the same direction. For me, and as someone who is terrible at putting things together, it was impossibly hard for me to use those instructions. But I eventually did get it put together and only had to redo one section. It looks really good. Now, I was surprised with how light it was. I expected it to be a heavy thing, but I guess that was just me thinking because it's gonna have heavy tools on it that it needed to be heavy, but it's actually quite lightweight. It can hold pretty much anything. These on this side are small, so you can do various size screwdrivers, and these are larger, so your larger screwdrivers will go here, and then you can put your power tools in this. Plus, I like that it has the different shelves. There's definitely room to hold more stuff. You can put these in upside down, and then you have room for a few more like that. You definitely don't have to put your hammer there. I just thought that would be handy for me and the way I use tools. These are pretty much all I use. This feels super sturdy. It doesn't feel like it'll be breaking because it was so easy to assemble it. And it feels like it should be fragile, but it actually is not. It's really strong. It comes with everything you need to mount it on the wall, including the little white things that you're supposed to hammer in there. Why are those so hard to use? I don't know. Seems to be pretty scratch resistant. This doesn't feel like the kind of material that chips off easily. Overall, very easy to put together, extremely useful, and now my tools can be organized. If you need something like this, I'll have it linked for you in the description. You can just hop on over there and get yourself one. Let me know what you do with it, because I'm thinking of other things I can do with this now, not just tools, but I have to buy more. Like I could get another one and put it right on the other side. What am I going to put there? I don't know, but I feel like I need to do that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do so now, because yeah, we do tools, even tools. Boring? Maybe. But if you like doing projects or even just trying new projects, this is a great channel to learn with. No, you won't learn from me. We'll learn together. I'll see you real soon.